Which brings us right to our next section, the Pros Toolkit. Enough about the problem, let's talk solutions. These are actual, actionable strategies you can start using today to take back control from your survival brain.
This table really lays out the fundamental shift we need to make. Over on the left, you've got emotional trading. It's reactive, it's consistent, it's based on gut feelings. On the right, you have data-driven trading, proactive, structured, and based on a system you planned out ahead of time. The goal isn't to become a robot with no emotions. It's to make sure our decisions are coming from that right-hand column, not the left.
Okay, tool number 1 for your toolkit, an emotional journal. This is way more than just tracking profit and loss. Before and after every single trade, you gotta ask yourself these questions. How was I feeling before? What about after? Which bias was trying to trick me? And the big one, did I follow my rules? This isn't about judging yourself, it's about collecting data on your own behavior so you can finally spot the pattern. Tool number 2 is just beautiful in its simplicity. The circuit breaker rule. After you take a loss, you stop trading for the next 30 minutes. Full stop. No exceptions. This simple rule physically interrupts that neurological hijack we talked about. It stops revenge trading in its tracks and gives your rational brain time to come back online before you can do any more damage.
And here's another awesome tool from the trading community, the HALT rule. It's a simple checklist. Before you even think about placing a trade, you have to ask, am I hungry, angry, lonely, or tired? If the answer is yes to any of those, you are not allowed to trade. It's your frontline defense to make sure you're making decisions from a place of balance, not from a place of vulnerability where you're likely to fall into tilt.